So this right here creates the world class that the turtle is going to live in. And then this right here is creating the turtle, and right here is putting the turtle into this world that we just created. So to create some variables to use for the turtle methods, we have to put in the data type of an int. I'm going to name this variable x, and I'm going to set this value to 50. So the variable x of data type int is going to hold the value of 50. And then with this, you can use the turtle class, t dot, and then call whatever method forward. And I'm going to put in the variable x, which holds the value of 50 into there. So then if we save this, compile it, run it, we'll see the turtle move forward the value that was in x. Oops. Okay, so now I'm going to create another variable, name it y, and we're going to assign this value 100. So then we can use y, let's use y to turn the turtle, so t dot turn, and let's turn it y degrees, and let's see what happens. Save and compile, run it, and see the turtle went up right here, and then with int value y, the turtle turned 100 degrees. So if we use one of the methods, but we don't fulfill its parameters, we're going to get a compile error. Actually, not with this one. That's just going forward nothing. You're going to get a compile error because you have to put a value in here. So let's turn y, and it should work. So the turtle turned, it went forward, turned the value of y, and then it turned another value of y. So it went around like that.